Good evening, everyone. Friends who are joining us online, thank you to each and every one of you who are here with us today. Really, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to the team from KEMS. We're very pleased to have the MD of Cape RE here with us.
My pleasure.
Yes, Barry. And so just wanted to kind of, also give an overview. We are very pleased to be supporting Cape RE, who's actually kind of launched their investment note on the KLDX platform. We started on the 31st December. We are very, very excited and happy to have them on our platform. And also a little bit about KLDX. So even before we start, maybe a little bit, I hope you don't mind if I have a little plug-in about KLDX. So KLDX is a regulated platform. We are regulated by the Securities Commission of Malaysia. We actually are the first tokenized platform to launch in Malaysia. We help companies raise funds through tokenized investment notes, funds, bonds. We also do real estate and commodities. So if you have any friends who are looking to raise money, just like Cape RE, please also, bring them our way. We'll be more than happy. And also investors. If you do have investors, friends who are looking for interesting opportunities to invest, also do let them know about KLDX. So without much ado, we can go in straight to the question and answer. So I'm Krishnavenee, we call me Veni. I'm the Chief Growth Officer here at KLDX. We're very lucky to have our CEO here today, Rani. And
hi everyone.
Yeah, and also a couple of colleagues here.
Yeah.
So Barry, maybe a little bit of introduction from yourself, Barry. Over to you.
I was just thinking that for a lot of those who are not so familiar with what Cape RE is,
For sure.
to have a quick run through on the presentation.
Yes,
So yeah,
absolutely.
it helps you to understand a lot more about what we're doing and what to expect out of us as a company. Can we do that?
Yes, absolutely. Spot
I'm
on.
going to run through a couple of slides. Not going to be a very boring. It won't be that boring. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. The contents will just cover four specific areas. Getting you to know a lot more about Cape than you know now. What is our business scope like? Who do we work with? What are the projects that we put our microscope on, focus on? And then we'll share with you some of the pipeline that we have been working for the last 6-7 months. And the kind of a bit about the value of it, but it won't be a lot of intrinsic details about it. Okay. Then we would also then share with you some of what our projections would be so that you feel at ease investing in this token. And we'll give you a bonus. I'm not going to tell you what the bonus is right now, but we'll wait for it at the end. All right. Okay. Cape EMS is a listed company. It's been operating for the last almost like 20 years upon listing. And Cape RE is 100% owned subsidiary of Cape with the full backing, right? We have got a great infrastructure all set up with Cape EMS, and we are capitalizing on this existing infrastructure whereby we can build more business opportunities. And one of it is Cape RE. Place right here, right? Besides manufacturing, we have got virtual manufacturing, we have got metrics as part of our mobility, and also we've got wireless. We're not going to dwell on the rest of it, but we're just going to focus on Cape RE for today. Okay? What is Cape RE? Cape RE is all about renewable, right? The hit word today is renewable energy. And we cover batteries, we cover solar, we cover EV charging, which is really hot in Malaysia. We have recently engaged with a lot of EV chargers installers, and very soon, all around town, you will start to see Cape EV chargers, right? And we are part of that movement. We're also involved in a bit of smart city projects, which deals with wireless, CCTVs, smart lightings and stuff. Okay. So in a nutshell, just to put words and figures and pictures together, these are some of the array of solutions that we have for the industrial, the on-grid type and off-grid type. We have got some intelligent panels here. We've got peripherals. We've got the EV chargers, and obviously we have got things that facilitate solar projects. Okay. Our partnerships extends beyond suppliers. We also have partnerships in different specific geographies, basically in Sabah, on the eastern seaboard of Sabah and Sarawak. In West Malaysia, we have very, very strong EPCC networks. In fact, one of my EPCC network players is with me today. Okay. These suppliers that we choose to work with, they are very, very reputed suppliers. Those who go into the search, you'll find that Summertech is a tier one supplier. Basically, tier one means that you are actually in the top creme de la creme in terms of the battery manufacturing. All right. It gives you the assurance, it's bankable, and when you say you are tier one, it actually means that you have the NEF tier one, right? The rest of it are also very reputable manufacturers that we bank on and we work very, very closely with. So this is one half of it, which is 1.5 megawatt, right? And what you see is across here, you can see the other smaller ones like lining up, but it's not equal to one of them. So this is as big as it gets. Okay. We are all, afterwards I'll show you in another slide. We are doing another one which is 3 times larger than this. 3 times.
So just to put in perspective, how many football stadiums is that?
Oh gosh, you got me there. Where is can you go?
So one football stadium is about 200 times 50. So one country is about one football stadium.
I see.
Wow, that's huge.
Yeah,
that's really huge.
Just to give everyone a perspective, so that you can imagine.
I only remembered when I went to one of the factories, we couldn't walk from one end there. It was on a buggy. Yeah, so this is how large you want to think of it that way. All right.
Very interesting.
As a golfer, I would say this is a 2 par 5s.
I see.
All right.
So you get your workout in as well.
No holes in between.
Yes.
Okay, so this is how it looks like in reality from the side view. This is how it looks like on top. This is an aerial view. All right. This is an aerial view of how you align it, where each and every one. This is not AI. This is a real picture. Each one of this is a panel, which is the power generation. All right. One slide piece here is 620 watts. So you just have to keep on multiplying how much to get arrive at 1.5
megawatts. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Thanks. Okay. The status of this project here, as in so far, is you can actually see we actually keep very good track of it. We are right now at the end stage of it, whereby we are actually going to do the connection. And when this connection is going live, means whatever production of power now converts to dollars and cents to the customer and also to us. Okay, so all this will take all this whole gestation period. The gestation period of this is probably of one project of this size is about 3 months. Okay. Here I would like to do some advertisement for my EPCC. Tika Ongya is one of our EPCCs that we actually work very closely with. We have a few others, and they are actually to be able to handle projects. They actually have to be very knowledgeable besides being registered with SEDA, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Okay, these are some of the interesting things that has been happening over the last few months that we're actually been working on. What I just explained to you are all in ingress phase 1. We have phase 2, phase 3 of this magnitude, almost the same. And then we have got on the eastern seaboard, the Sabahan side. And this is the little thing that, these 2 little pillars here actually belongs to another warehouse project, which is 3 times larger than this. And this is just phase 1. Okay. Anybody knows Albina?
Yes, yes.
This is in Albina. Right? It's right next to the data center. Yeah. So I just got confirmation that they like our proposal. We hope to be able to capture this, and this will be working hard.
Yes.
So, but I'm very, very sure that, that the opportunities are a lot, and this is one of the few many that we are actually working on. Yeah.
Yeah, many congratulations on that.
Good, good. All right. So before I tap off from here, it's the next one. Wait, why? Because we want to bring awareness of the market going into green financing. We want to believe that this is a very innovative way to do funding and to involve a much larger crowd of investors. We don't want to have the bankers making all the money, all right? We want to make sure that there are a lot more people who are willing to participate.
Yes, yes.
No bankers here, yeah? I was just kidding. I was just kidding. Everybody have their own rightful positions, right? But I'm just saying that as far as investment is concerned, I'm an investor myself in a lot of different areas, right? We always look for greener pastures. We always look for where the low-hanging fruits and everything whatnot. But honestly, we want to look for stability. We want to look for predictability, right? So we are offering a platform whereby we allow investors to participate in it. You want to add on? Yeah.
I basically this first tranche of the investment allow. I think it was very much in line with this KLDX diversify your investment. It's for us. We know that this business is related to infrastructure investment, where there is required a lot of high capex upfront, and this will in turn generate a very steady and predictable revenue and profit in return. And for that, we can actually have a shared economy model with our investor. So this is the first step that we have undertaken, that we want to raise the awareness with our investor, and that we can actually go into the next phase. There's a bigger value project that we hope to actually gain more investors' interest going forward in our next projects.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Absolutely. I think, this is being, as mentioned earlier, this is a key focus area for the government of Malaysia as well. And a lot of friends do ask me, how do we get access to some of these interesting projects? There's been a big push. So I think this is actually a very unique opportunity for us, investors as well, to get exposed, to get a little bit of exposure to really a sector which is growing, also very defensive. So as we mentioned earlier, that's definitely, and also when we talk about sustainability, that's the other thing I think Barry also mentioned, how are we actually supporting the transition to, from the old energy to new, clean, renewable energy.
In CAPE, we have created a CAPE 2.0. Can I say that? So I want to make sure that we have created a CAPE 2.0, which actually is a transformation plan with a lot of exciting programs, particularly for RE. Okay, that's why I said stay in tune for CAPE EMS news. You'll be excited, as I am.
Thank you so much to Barry and the CAPE team for with us today. We really appreciate that. So maybe it's an opportunity for members of the audience who are here to ask some questions, and then we will read the questions that have come online as well. So over to you. If any one of you have any questions, any clarification that's needed.
Sorry, I came in late, so maybe you may have shared. Can you share something with the company? What's your capital? What's your payout? What's your capital to debt ratio?
Okay.
Yeah, the financials.
You mean on CAPE RE or?
CAPE RE, the one that is issuing the loan.
Okay. Do you want the actual numbers or what?
Both.
ballpark numbers? Are we able to release those?
KRE level.
KRE level. We are basically a 100% owned subsidiary of a public listed company. KEMS does have a turnover about in excess of R500 million of sales, and we have been profitable for the last quarters, and we have full backing of our parent company in that sense, right? As of a company which is fairly new, newly minted company, we actually rely a lot of the fundings currently from the parent company, and that is not what we want to do on the long term. We want to be able to be independent. Hence, this is the first takeoff that we want to do. We have other options that we are actually participating on, but it all depends on how fast we are going to move this vehicle, RE vehicle. As the project rate grows, the demand for capital will increase, and we will pair it accordingly with our funders, with our partners in the financial lines and stuff like that. Does that answer your question?
But as at now, what would be your equity to debt ratio?
We don't have any.
Oh, it's brand new, is it?
Very new, very new.
So
Yeah.
how new is it? Like,
I would say, honestly, realistically, we are less than a year.
less than a
But,
year.
but our record within the last year has shown that within a year, we have actually secured more than 10 million worth of businesses within a year as a new player.
And this will be the first project.
This is the first project,
So
and
this is the
it is
first one.
only based on our projections for this year. This first project is less than 10% of what we can do for the year.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In terms of project,
No, it's okay. You can say it.
just trying to understand
Yeah.
the nature of the
That's fine.
contracts. Are you a service provider or are you just selling the electricity to whoever, like ingress? So what's the business model of yours?
We have different models to play with. First of all, as far as Ingress is concerned, we are actually doing a turnkey project model for Ingress. We see Ingress as a great partner because they are, one, international, two, they are huge, three, they are very, very established in Malaysia, then they're reliable paymaster. Because of that, we want a launching pad whereby we can actually get into the RE business, because nobody knows who KRE is right at the beginning. So we want to become a player in this market. Henceforth, as far as Ingress is concerned, we actually are actually the solution provider together with our EPCC, and also the parts that we put into it are our partners, our manufacturing partners. That's how we leverage our strength with the EMS part, the manufacturing part. Yeah.